In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can record picture-in-picture in a 3x3 video wall. In this specific instance, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to basically partition the 3x3 video wall into a 2x2 grid so you can display 4 separate images simultaneously using picture-in-picture. So if you'll notice that all these different sources here, we have the coordinates already set. This is for the bottom right, bottom left, top right, and top left. So if we click picture-in-picture, we have everything configured here. So we're going to start out with the top left because that's the origin point. And picture-in-picture uses a grid layout, and the origin point at this point is 0 and 0, and that means it's at the top left. So the x-coordinate is set to 0, y-coordinate is set to 0, and this just means it's the top left. And the width and height are set to 50 because we want to partition this entire video wall into 4 separate sections. So moving on, we're going to go deal with the top right. The only thing that's changed between the top left and the top right is we're moving it halfway over to begin the other half, and to do that we need to just move the x-coordinate over 50%, which is what we've done here. So as before, width and height are set to 50%. You're going to notice it's always 50% for these two parameters for this one video. Now, bottom left is slightly different in that we're changing the y-coordinate this time. So if you'll notice the top left versus the bottom right, or the bottom left, excuse me, the x-coordinate is the same, but the y-coordinate is now 50 because we're actually moving it down 50%. So it's going to be occupying that other corner. So as before, width and height are set to 50%. Finally, for the bottom right, you'll notice that we've set the x-coordinate to 50% and the y-coordinate to 50%. This means we're moving it over and it's going to occupy that final quarter of the screen. So, as before, the width and height are each 50. And once again, we're setting it to the right and then down, which is why it's 50-50. So after that, make sure that you've selected your scaling option. In this case, we've just done stretch full screen to really stretch out and inflate the content. So click OK, hit apply, and then the changes should now be taking effect. So that concludes today's video. If you have any further questions, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.